In this video, I'll compare two really powerful research tools for any e-commerce business, SpyFu and Niche Scraper. Now, whether you're doing dropshipping or Amazon FBA, doesn't matter. Either way, using the right research tools to find the best products to sell and being able to learn from your competitors can be a complete game changer for your business. In this video, I'm going to cover some important information about each of these tools, one at a time, including the product discovery features, supplier database, pricing and subscription costs, automation features, and so much more. Remember that if you pick the wrong tool, it's going to waste a lot of time and money. So watch all the way to the end so I can help you make the right decision. I've included the links to both SpyFu and Niche Scraper in the description below, and you can check them out. Let's get started. SpyFu doesn't directly offer product discovery features for dropshipping, but it has great insights for competitive keywords that you can use, and that can help you with your ad strategies and help you identify trending products or niches based on search traffic and advertising trends. Now, what about market analysis? SpyFu excels in market analysis from an SEO and PPC perspective. It provides comprehensive data on competitors' keyword strategies, organic and paid search results, and historical ad variations. This information is crucial for dropshippers that are trying to understand market trends, optimize their content and strategies, and to help them place ads effectively. What about integrations with platforms like Shopify and other dropshipping e-commerce platforms? Well, SpyFu mainly focuses on SEO and PPC, so it doesn't integrate directly with these e-commerce platforms for product management or listing, but dropshippers can utilize the insights that they get from SpyFu to enhance their listings and ads on the platforms, no matter what platform it is, whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, or anything else. And they will have to do this manually, though. There is no automatic integration. What about supplier database? Well, SpyFu is not specifically a dropshipping tool, so they don't offer a supplying database for different products for your business. What about pricing and profitability tools? Once again, they're not a dropshipping focused tool, so they don't actually offer direct pricing and profitability tools for dropshipping. But the keyword and ad cost data that you can get with SpyFu can help users estimate advertising expenses and gauge the competitiveness of pricing strategies in their niche. What about user interface and ease of use? Well, SpyFu offers a user-friendly interface that's straightforward and easy to navigate. New users can quickly learn to navigate throughout the tons of data that's available, and they also have lots of tutorials and other helpful information as well. Customer support and community is another place where SpyFu does really well. They have excellent customer support with options for contacting them via phone, email, as well as chat. They also offer a rich library of tutorials and a community forum where users can exchange strategies and insights. They also have a blog right here that you can see where you can get lots of information and strategies about keywords and SEO in general to help you in your business. So what about their pricing structure? Well, if we look at pricing right here, we can see they have 3 different plans. They can also offer monthly as well as annual subscriptions. And if you go annual, then you can save up to 30%. So it starts from the basic plan at $39 a month, goes up to the professional at $79 a month. And then the limited time offers in between are some of their most popular, which is you can actually get the basic plan for just $9 a month for a discount, as well as a pro plan, the professional here, for just $49 a month instead of $79. And so you can see everything that's included in all of these plans, and you can sign up right now using the link in the description if you want to try it out. Now, what about the automation features? Well, SpyFu provides detailed analytics and reporting on SEO and PPC campaigns, including keyword rankings, cost per click, and search volume. These insights are essential for optimizing your advertising and content strategies. Now, one thing that's unfortunate is that at the time that I'm recording this video, SpyFu does not actually offer a mobile app. So if you are planning on using your phone to get analytics analytics and research, then unfortunately they don't have an app that you can use. But what do users have to say? What's some of the feedback and reviews? Well, the general feedback for SpyFu is actually quite positive, especially regarding its depth of data on the competitors' search strategies. Users appreciate the actionable insights that help them refine their SEO and PPC efforts. Some users have noted that they would appreciate a more modern interface and faster data updates, but overall, it's still a great platform that can help you out a lot for research in your dropshipping business. Niche Scraper excels in product discovery. You can see they have an entire section right here on their website. They've got a product scraper and also a section called Handpicked. You get access to a handpicked selection of trending products here. The platform utilizes a robust scraping technology to analyze thousands of products daily from e-commerce platforms like Shopify, AliExpress, and more. Users can search through these products using advanced filtering options, including profitability, sales volume, and recent trends, making it a really powerful tool for uncovering hidden gems. Now, what about market analysis? Well, market analysis is another really strong suit for Niche Scraper. It offers detailed insights into product trends, demand, and competition levels. Users can also access sales data and engagement statistics to better understand the market dynamics of potential products. This comprehensive analysis is essential for making informed decisions and staying ahead in really competitive markets. But what about their integration with other platforms? Niche Scraper provides seamless integration with Shopify, allowing users to easily import products into their Shopify stores. And while the focus is primarily on Shopify, it offers enough information to be useful for people that are using other platforms as well, although direct integration might be limited with other platforms. But what about their supplier database? Well, Niche Scraper does not directly offer a supplier database, but it focuses more on product metrics and trends. Users need to conduct their own supplier research or pair Niche Scraper with another tool that offers direct supplier connections. And what about their profitability and pricing tools? Well, Niche Scraper includes a profit calculator that helps estimate the potential earnings by considering various factors like shipping costs, product costs, and suggested retail prices. This tool is invaluable. It's super useful for quickly assessing whether a product could actually make you money or if it's gonna destroy your business. Now, what about the user interface and ease of use? The user interface of Niche Scraper is straightforward. It's pretty easy, although it doesn't look as beautiful as some other platforms that I've seen, but I guess that doesn't really matter because it's still really powerful and it does the job, which is what really matters at the end of the day. They do have clear navigation and explanatory elements that makes it easy for most users to find all their features. As you can see, their product discovery, market research, and all the stuff is right here on their homepage for you to easily see, so you know exactly what to do. Now, what about customer support and community? Well, Niche Scrapers offers customer support through email and an extensive knowledge base. They also have an active Facebook group where users can share insights, they can ask questions, and they can learn from each other's experiences. So it's a really healthy platform in that matter. What about their pricing? Well, pricing is obviously important, so let's see how much it actually costs. Now, Niche Scraper does not actually have a clear pricing section on their website, which is kind of annoying, but if you actually Google their pricing, you can see a review that tells you that their Scraper Pro plan starts at about $50 a month, and they offer lots of comprehensive features such as analysis of AdSpy and Shopify stores. The good thing about Niche Scraper is that you don't have to worry about that because you can actually get started with it completely for free. What about automation features? Now, Niche Scraper does not offer extensive automation features for managing like regular day-to-day dropshipping operations, but its product scraping and analytics can help you streamline the product research phase by a mile. It's just amazing. So what about analytics and reporting? The platform offers detailed analytics and reporting features, allowing users to track product performances and market trends comprehensively. These insights are crucial crucial for adapting strategies and maximizing your sales. Now, if you're planning on using Niche Scraper on your phone, you want to see like the results and check your data. Unfortunately, they don't actually offer a mobile app at this moment, which could be a downside if you're planning on using your phone. Chances are you're probably doing most of your business from your laptop anyway, so that shouldn't really be a deal breaker. Overall, the reviews and user feedback for Niche Scraper is largely very positive, with people praising the really effective product discovery and comprehensive market analysis capabilities. If you look at their FAQ section, they tell you like what's so special about Niche Scraper. Well, they have one of the most advanced product web crawlers available, and it's written by ex-Facebook and ex-Instagram employees. It is capable of analyzing trends and data to reveal true winning products that no other product research service can compete with. So that's a huge, really bold statement. And you know what? The fact that it was written by ex-Facebook and Instagram employees kind of signals that the product is probably really, really good. That's what I would assume if I didn't know anything about it. Clearly, Niche Scraper is an excellent choice for dropshippers focusing on discovering trending products and analyzing market opportunities. Now, as you can see, both tools have their pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs. If you're interested in starting a new e-commerce business, or maybe you want to move your existing business to another platform, I'd recommend Shopify. It's one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, and you can try it out for an entire month for just $1. For your convenience, I've included the links to all tools, platforms, and relevant resources to help you with your business. It's in the description box below. Drop any questions you have in the comment section, and I'll do my best to help you out as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.